Hello my lovely ravens, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantal and today I am showing you what my mom sent me from the Netherlands for my birthday. My birthday was on the 4th of August and I just wanted to share this with you because it's quite interesting. She sent me an Inktober. I think she had a lot of these things from, I think, Action. I could be wrong, but yeah, an Inktober. So that's nice. I'm going to open everything because I want to try stuff out in this video. Looks a little bit like the Tim Holtz one, but this is more like foam and it's domed, but it is Velcro, so it comes with a few extra ones. Chalk ink pads, so there's grapefruit, plush pink, sweet kisses, and they're chalk, and then there's red carpet, which is a metallic. And they're available in these ones. And then she also sent me this one. Pastel purple, pastel blue, pastel mint, and pastel yellow, with this being the metallic one and these being chalk. So I wonder if the chalk ones dry matte. I don't know. I think the chalk ones might be just very opaque, which can be very nice for certain things, for sure. These colors are really nice together, by the way. It's like makeup. And then the red ones. Won't be trying them all though. I have no idea if they're waterproof or not, because it doesn't say on the package. So here we have those. And you're probably all seeing this one. This is a heat active pen, and it has a cable, which is a USB cable, so that's always good. Internationally, that is great. It holds just like a pen, so it's not chunky or anything, and it has a nib there. And basically what you can do with this foil is add it to projects. So it says paper, leather, wood. The only thing I think would be an issue is that you can't really see where you're placing it because you have to put this on. But still, it would be very nice, a very nice addition to journal making. So she also sent me with that these foils. This is rose gold, silver, gold, red, and rainbow. It's very shiny, obviously. She knows that I have a Cricut, so she also sent me some foils. This is a like gold floral self-adhesive foil. And then she also sent some fancy faux leather sheets. So in every single one of these 3 packs, there is glitter, crocodile, holographic, and metallic. And they are A5 sized, which is half A4. So I'm assuming this is the glitter. That's the hollow, the crocodile, and the metallic. So that's quite nice. If you have any project ideas, let me know in the comments down below, because I have no idea right now. It will come to me though, but... Then also the blue, the glitter, the hollow, crocodile in white, and metallic. And then the silver ones, that's the glitter, the hollow, crocodile, and metallic. So that's really nice. Like I said, I have no project plans for these whatsoever right now, so yeah. Let me know in the comments if you have any ideas. Then there's also some glitter and pearl 3D drops. It's really glittery and shiny. I don't use this very often, but I am not wanting to use them. There we have those very pearly and glittery. And yeah, they look really nice actually. I think they have like a protective cap on the inside. That might prevent them. Yeah, they're sealed, so I won't be opening them just yet. Not until I will use them. And then I actually asked her if she could send me this. If you are from the Netherlands, this is from Hema. You know what it is, like a Kmart if you're in Australia, or a Walmart if you're in America, I suppose. This is a lettering label maker tape thing. So what you do, you feed this through. All right, and then you can go, you can spell something out, like hello. It even cuts. Not very well, but there you go. I did it very quickly, so yeah. But it's like a vintage raised hello, or how do you call that? Tape. And it's nice for journals, I think. Yeah, it's that little textural element. And she sent me, it came with a black one, and then she sent me this pack of neutrals, like black, silver, white, and gold, and a pack of blue, pink, orange, and purple. So yeah, there we have that. Let's make a little project with the stamps, I think, and some ephemera. Okay, I have 2 white tags here, so let's see what we can do with this, and perhaps also with the foil pen. Don't think they're stackable, or are they? No, they're not stackable. Let's see, oops, let's see what we can do with these. Not very pigmented right now, I need to kind of go for it. Obviously, this is not my normal color palette, but we can still make something nice, right? It's not bad. I think for the yellow, I will take a new one though. I'll keep that one for future. But yes, this is just more opaque stuff. Metallic, not quite, but it's still a nice color combination. Well, I can't really see the metallic, but that's okay. Let's ink up the other one too, with the pinks and reds. Make a nice gradient, I think. So it is sort of a gradient, right? There's a little bit metallic going on there. It's hard to work with these. Like they're not super opaque or pigmented. I suppose that the ink pen pads are just not super wet. Okay, I do like this one a little bit better, so I'm gonna leave this one as is. This one I want to spray with some water, see if it activates at all. Let's see if that does anything at all. I want to try some of that foiling. I think gold would look rather nice. So this is the gold that came in the pack. If I can find any of this stuff on Amazon or a pen like this, I will link it down below, by the way. Yeah. So I think we're just gonna cut off a piece. Apparently my scissors are a bit sticky and they need cleaning. Now let's think of an inspirational word of some sort. I'm pretty sure this works with glue as well, which would be cool. I have a USB port here. Let's see if this works. And it has a little light there. So that's good. I suppose we know when it's on. I don't know if you can see that on the cam. It has a little light right there. I don't know when it's hot. I don't know when it's... Nope, I have no idea. Are there instructions? 1 minute warming up. Okay. It's 1.5 mil tip. Heated pen to create fine foil effects on cards, bullet journals, scrapbooks, and many more. Works only with Crafts and Co heat active foil. Well, that's this stuff, but I'm sure there's other heat active foil on the market. So I need to wait 1 minute. I have a sketchbook here, so I want to try a little bit here first. See if it's hot enough, I suppose. Ooh! It did something. Can you guys see that? That is cool. Okay. Let's try to write. Well, that worked. Definitely worked. How gorgeous is that? And that's really bright. Does it scratch off? No, it doesn't. Doesn't at all. And I'm scratching pretty hard. That is really neat. Okay. It's a very fine tip though, so what am I gonna do on that? So you can see that whatever I used, that is gone. That is so cool. It's so neat. Let's write courage. I can thicken the letters a little bit. See, this is the thing. I have no idea where I'm placing it. I think if I want to make an actual design on something, I would have something over it to trace the design, hoping that the paper doesn't set alight. So this is not normally stuff that I make, but because it's too bright. It's too bright for me. It did do it. See, I was a little bit too far down, but how amazing is that? This adds really nice little designs to journals and whatnot without you having to grab out that embossing powder and stuff like that. I mean, embossing is different, but you want to add that little sparkle, right? But this is really, really gorgeous. I'm really happy with that. So if I would add like a little number thing or something. A random number. Add 2 little tags. It's so shiny. Really, really shiny. Obviously, this is just a test project. I went too fast with this one, but because it really attaches wherever you put it. If I want to put little sparkles around that, see, I don't really quite know where it was. There somewhere. I just have to put little dots. Oh, can you imagine an astrology or yeah, astrology or space themed journal with all these little sparkly stars throughout the journal. Wouldn't that be so cool? It's very hard to see on camera though. Oh, there we go. So yes, I want to thank you all for watching. This is a really cool thing. It does get warm, but it doesn't get hot on the plastic, on that black plastic. If I can find them online, I will put everything down below what I can find if you're interested in any of these projects. And thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.